You really need to be driving your own career. To see that the way that you will move in your career is something that you should not count on nobody, you should count on your own. Because don't expect that HR or other entity or the company will take care of it for us.
And now this is coming, I know, please go on. The factory, so what an important one. Get into this guy, give him on the show!
Working in a particular position in a company, you keep doing the same work every day. Just pay attention. Let's say last 7 days, 1 month, when you work in a company, every day is almost like the same. Move on to the next level is the person you're reporting to right now. To go to the next level, you need more expertise than what you're doing right now.
Have you ever wondered how to step up management processes in the future? Have you ever wanted to possess those skills that a manager or director have? If that is what you're looking for, this is the brand for you. With this kind of privilege, and they give you scholarship, and I love it, but online you usually have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars. So why not you now?
So let's come over and apply for the programs, and I would love to meet with you, discuss with you, and see how you set your career toward being success.
You need definitely to design a strategy to reach the next step, and designing strategy is a continuum of actions